Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Today we would like to review a product that we choose that can be convenience in our daily life related to my course, which is financial and banking. Before that, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Ashraf Mokhtar and my partner is Muhammad Shabil bin Alias. Dear fellow friends, I am sure that you already know what is a printer. But do you know what is the real definition of printer? A printer is a device that accepts text and graphic output from a computer and transfer the information to paper, usually to standard size sheets of paper. The best known non-impact printers are the inkjet printers, of which several makes of low-cost color printers are an example, and the laser printer. In the year of 2020, there are many choices of brands that you can find in the market. For example, HP, Epson, Canon, Ricoh, Xerox, and many more. So, to make this clear, we are going to review a specific brand of printer, which is HP DeskJet Ink Advantage Ultra 4729. Dear friends, my first point is targeted consumer. Targeted consumer is the consumer or customer that have to use this printer almost every day. The first targeted consumer is office worker. At the office, the staff need to use the printer to print the data from the computer to the paper to use as a document. Important documents such as proposal letter, ledger for the accounts, receipts, and the account statement must be kept in the file at the office for record purpose. It is important to keep the physical document in a file so that they can find it easily. Next targeted consumer is the student. In the student aspect, like me, we have to use the printer to print our assignment to submit. Some lecturer prefer their student to print their assignment than submit it online. So, the student also can be categorized as the targeted consumer because the usage of the printer is important to them. Other consumer is for home use. For home use, printer is used to print the cooking recipe and decoration. For example, you can print out images of family and frame it. Using this HP DeskJet Ink Advantage Ultra 4729, the images that you print out is a high quality images with color that can make you save money from printing your family photo at the photo studio. Next, we move on to the function of this HP DeskJet Ink Advantage Ultra 4729. Firstly, this printer works as a device that turns digital data into printed media. This function is the main function of printer. This printer can only print a specific size of paper, which is A4 paper. This printer also can print black and white and also color. This printer have a specialty that some of the printer did not have. This printer is included with a scanner. The function of the scanner is scanning physical documents or images into the computer files. These functions is vice versa from the main functions of the printer that turn digital data into printed media. But the scanner also can be used as a photostat machine to photostat a document to make a copy. My third point is the physical attributes. Let's start with the size. The size of this printer is 438 times 310 times 158 millimeter, which is easy to carry because it is not too big. The printer also can fit on the office table because the size did not take much of space. This printer comes with only one design, which is combination of black and blue. This color make this printer look very expensive. The shape of this printer will make you fall in love with it. The rectangular shape with sharp edges make this printer look futuristic and modern. When it comes to material, this HP DeskJet Ink Advantage Ultra 4729 is made by an ABS plastic, which is famous for its lightweight and the texture is solid plastic. Moreover, the characteristic of this HP printer can easily attract the buyer. The consumable cost for this printer is very low. In other words, you just need to buy an A4 paper and the ink. You can get the ink for only 48 ringgit for each black ink and 3 color ink. This printer also can produce document with multiple fonts and color graphic at near magazine quality resolution of up to 600 dpi or dots per inch. As a result, we will get a very high resolution result just using a very affordable printer. The characteristic that I like the most is it has laser inkjet or thermal technology, which can reduce the noise when printing. Printer that did not use the inkjet technology will produce noisy sound when working. This feature will give you peace and will not annoy you when working. But the durability of this printer is fragile. This printer may be broken when it hits with a hard object or fall to the ground. This is because the material of this printer is ABS plastic, so you have to be careful when handling the print. Now, I would like to transfer this review to my partner, Muhammad Shabil, to explain the next point.
Thank you Ashraf Mokhtar for giving me a chance to review this printer. Before that, my name is Muhammad Shabil bin Alias and my metric card number is 01TKB19F1014. In this video, I would like to talk about 5 other information about this printer, which is number 1, strength, number 2, weaknesses and solution to weaknesses, number 3, price and discount, number 4, warranty period, and number 5, product outlet and contact person. So we all know that all products in this world got their own strength and weaknesses. So let's talk about these two things first. Strength that I have identified is stay connected with the easiest way to print from your smartphone or tablet. You just need to turn on the Bluetooth on your device, search for the name of the printer, then you're good to go. Besides, the printers stand out with high quality prints that are brilliant all the way to the edge of the page, which is the print job are perfect. Next, get started right away and conveniently manage printing tasks with or without a network. Well, most of the old printer needs a network to print the job, but HP DeskJet Ink Advantage 4729 don't need a single network to print the job. Weaknesses. They also got weaknesses that I have identified, which is the ink in the cartridges will easily dry after not using it for a long time. Besides, Wi-Fi printers also open a new door to anyone accessing your network if your security is lacking. Next, print server can cause slow printing because there are a single point through which all print jobs are being sent and processed. However, all weaknesses in this world got their own solution. Same goes to this printer. Firstly, you can soak a cotton bud in the warm water and rub it across the area of the cartridge where the ink comes out. This solution was made to melt the ink inside of the cartridge. Secondly, make sure that the firmware for the printers are regularly kept up to date and monitored to prevent the leakage data. Firmware are really important to the printers because if you're not updated to the latest one, it will be a slow printing job. Thirdly, change the way printers are networked so that all printers' jobs aren't to send one print server or to improve the efficiency of the print server. Most of printers users don't know how to change the printer's network. So the step is, you need to click the Manage Default Printers button in the toolbar. Then you need to select the Change My Default Printers when I change networks options. Finally, you can use the drop-down button boxes to match the printer you want to use on a specific network. That's it. Now you don't have to select a different printers every time you want to print. Windows will choose the default one for you based on your network. Number 3, price and discount. This printer comes with affordable price, which is 539 ringgits. I guess if you choose to buy this printer, it will be a brilliant choice because HP is one of the flagship brands in search of high quality printers. And if you want to save your budget, you can buy it Lazada or Shopee using the free Touch 'n Go e-wallet credit worth 30 ringgits. Number 4, warranty period. This printer comes with 2 years local manufacturer warranty. I guess, that was a kind of long period of time that the company given. Plus, the printer are not being easily damaged. Number 5, product outlet and contact person. It's available on all HP outlets throughout Malaysia. I believe that every state got the HP outlet, such as at a shopping mall or at a technology shop. And if you want to get a help and support, you can visit www.hp.com. Well, Ashraf Mokhtar and I already review all the information about this printer which are related to our study case. So that's all from us. Thank you, madam.